Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to make your video a boomerang. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So go ahead and open up your Instagram account and go ahead and click on your story on your top left and click on camera. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and create a boomerang. You'll see a little 8 or a sideways 8 on your left. Go ahead and click on boomerang. So we'll create one here now. So you're seeing it's moving left to right, so it's on repeat, on like a repeated loop. And I could save the video here. I could add parts to it as well. And what's great about this is that I can actually change the boomerang itself. So I could do a slow-mo, I could do like an echo, or I could do a duo. So there's multiple options in order for me to use this boomerang. So there you have it guys, that is how to make your video a boomerang. But of course, if you guys don't have the Instagram app, not to worry at all. So I'll show it on screen now. So there's actually a app called Loop Videos and GIF Maker. Now this should be available as well on the Google Play Store, and not just on the App Store itself for iOS users. So from there you can go ahead and have your videos or download your videos and pretty much change the speed. You can repeat it, you can add text, change the direction. So same as what we've seen on Instagram, of course, that was the easier tool to use, but you can also use the same thing for this application, Loop Videos and GIF Maker. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.